Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this OnePlus Nord CE2 smartphone, and I wanted to share the top 3 apps that you can download on this device. So wanted to also mention the fact that all the apps that are going to be shown in today's video are absolutely free to be installed from the Play Store, so you can just go ahead and download them from there. The first app is called Electron. It's basically an app which allows you to monitor the health, the state, and the condition of the battery on your device. So it has a little instruction, a little bit of explanation regarding the app. Once you launch it first time, you gotta calibrate it also if that's the first time you open the app. So just press on calibrate button. It will be automatically calibrated, get all the data it needs. Press on done, and now you can see that there are plenty of useful information in here, starting from the battery capacity, battery temperature, battery type to voltage. You can also once you'll charge the phone after the application has been installed, it will also gather some useful data on the charging process. So that's about it. Also, there are some minor options in the settings that you can play with. For example, the dark mode. You can set the units of temperature management, measuring, and some feedback recalibration of the battery if you need to actualize the data about the battery of your device. So that was it for the first Electron app. We are moving on to the second app, which is called Caffeine. So basically, let me open up the settings real quick and show you that the maximum value for the screen turn off, auto screen off, or screen timeout or screen sleep is 30 minutes in here. So basically what the Caffeine app does, it allows you to set up the bigger values, for example 1 hour, or you can also set the infinite timer as well. So in order to do that, you gotta open up the app, choose the option that is on the top, timeout, and here you may choose from the available values starting from 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes to an hour, or you can also choose the variable option. This app also contains some settings that you can play with. So for example, it can be turned off automatically after the device has been manually locked, like this. So if we'll set up the infinite timer, we'll turn it off, turn it on then. That means that the screen timeout has returned to the value that is set in the settings, so 30 minutes, and a bunch of other settings that you can play around with as well. The third and the final app is called Stick Around. It's a very useful and very funny app, which basically allows you to see whether the movie, the film, the movie, or any other piece of media has the after credit or during the credit scene. So let's say I want to visit the movie theater tomorrow. I bought the tickets for the let me browse, for example, for the new Morbius movie, and I want to know whether I should leave the movie theater right after the film ended, or I can wait for some hidden scenes that are put after the credits or during the credits. In order to know that, just tap on the film icon, and it clearly says that this film has both the during the credit scenes and after the credit scenes. Let me show how some other movies might look in this app. For example, check in the box. It also has the credit, the hidden scenes after or during the credits percent. It also has them. The Sonic movie also has them. Moonfall. The Moonfall movie does not have those scenes, so you should leave the movie theater right after the movie ends. So that was pretty much all the function this application has to offer. It also has the tab when you can find the movie if you cannot look it up on the first tab. So I'll just search for Dune, for example. and as you can see, it is in a list, and it says that we should not wait for any hidden scenes. So that was about it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.